Hi guys, here's a simple alarm created in Python that continuously repeats the sound after a certain interval. So here is our Python alarm files. And this is the file, and this is the alarm sound that will be played in a loop after certain intervals. You can choose the sound to play and as well change the intervals. So to customize it, you can open it with Notepad++. If you do not have Notepad++, simply open Notepad and drag this here. Now this is the exact path for your audio file. For us, we are going to use this one. Please make sure to have the audio file in .wav WAV format. It will not accept MP3 or other audio files. For other audio files, we will require to install various packages, but we wanted to keep it very simple. Also, make sure to trim the music, preferably 4 to 5 seconds. Anyway, and this is the interval when the sounds repeats. Basically, this 20 refers to minutes. The sound will be played every 20 minutes unless it is closed. So change this as per your requirements. For now, we will change this to 1 minute. So this alarm sound will be played every minute unless it is stopped. Anyway, now save this notepad. Now, for those who have already installed Anaconda, open Anaconda prompt. We do not need to create any environment. Navigate to this folder, copy the address, cd, Ctrl+V, and run python alarm.py. Now press enter to activate. Now this sound will be played every minute in a loop. I will fast forward it. As you can hear the sound, it will be repeatedly played. Now to stop this alarm, either press Ctrl+C or simply close it. Now for those who do not have Anaconda, can use the Python app too. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for Python. I will install the latest one. Click on Get. So this has been installed. Close this. So you can see this icon has changed. Now you can double click on it to activate it and enter, and the alarm will be initiated. And to stop it, you can simply close this. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.